Hello everyone, welcome to Health Changes. Did you know one little bulb can supercharge your immune system, protect your heart, and even help prevent cancer? Stay tuned to discover 7 amazing health benefits of garlic. Today we're diving into garlic, a humble kitchen staple that's actually a powerful superfood. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you should add more garlic to your diet and how to use it. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Immune booster. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-rich compound that fights viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Research shows that people who take garlic supplements get fewer colds and recover faster if they do catch one. Benefit 2. Heart health. Garlic helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and inhibiting the ACE enzyme. It also balances cholesterol, reducing LDL bad while raising HDL good. Plus, it reduces platelet aggregation, cutting your risk of clots. Benefit 3. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Garlic is packed with antioxidants like acetylcysteine and selenium that neutralize free radicals and protect your cells. DNA. Its natural anti-inflammatory effects can ease chronic conditions, like arthritis. Benefit 4. Antimicrobial properties. Allicin and other sulfur compounds in garlic are effective against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, Candida yeast, and even certain viruses, making it a natural ally in fighting infections. Benefit 5. Digestion and Detox. Garlic stimulates digestive juices, improving nutrient absorption. It also supports your liver's detoxification processes, helping your body eliminate harmful substances. Benefit 6. Cancer prevention potential. Epidemiological studies link regular garlic consumption with lower risks of stomach, colon, esophageal, and breast cancers. Garlic's compounds can inhibit tumor growth and help trigger cancer cell death. Benefit 7. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. How to use garlic. So, how do you get the most out of garlic? 1. Crush or chop fresh garlic and let it sit 10 to 15 seconds to activate allicin. 2. Use black garlic for a milder taste and extra antioxidants. 3. Supplements: standardized aged garlic extract or garlic oil capsules if raw garlic is too strong. 4. Crush gives wait 15 minutes. 5. Try black garlic. 6. Aged garlic supplements. There you have it, the 7 incredible health benefits of garlic. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future health deep dives. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.